Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. My creative friends, today we are diving into the warm and magical world of Christmas craft home decoration. This is the season of light, joy and handmade love, so please must watch video till the end and stay tuned. Grab the cup of coffee and relax. And there is no better way to decorate your home than with your own beautiful cozy craft. So collect your glue gun, yarn, jute and sparkle because we are about to make this Christmas shine with creativity. There is something so heartwarming about crafting your own Christmas decoration. Every ornament, every wreath, every teeny snowflake you create carries a piece of your heart. Handmade decor makes your space feel authentic, personal, and full of love. It's not just a decoration, it's emotion, tradition, and mindfulness all wrapped into one. When you craft, you slow down, you breathe, you focus, and suddenly your home feel like cozy Christmas story comes to life. Let's begin with the rustic elegance, jute and burlap decoration. These natural materials give your home a warm farmhouse touch. You can wrap the jute around old bottles and fairy lights for magical glowing, or create small burlap bows for your Christmas tree. Now let's add softness and texture with crochet ornaments. Crochet snowflakes, teeny or start look adorable hanging from your Christmas tree. If you love cozy corner, make a handmade crochet garland for your window or mantle. The best part, these pieces can be reused year after year. They are timeless, just like your holiday memories. You can recycle glass jar into candle holder, cardboard into snow village house, and even use leftover fabric scrap to make patchwork stockings. Old CDs can turn into shiny snow ornaments. Now imagine your Christmas table glowing with handmade charm. You can craft mini centerpiece jar with candles, pine leaves and berries, or design handmade name tag for your guests, your friends, your loved ones. Using cardboard and gold ribbon for the walls, hang your handmade wreath, macrame stars or jute hanging. Each piece will make your home feel like a handmade Christmas wonderland. Crafting is not just about making things, it's about feeling things. It's reduce your stress, boost your creativity and fills your positive energy. When you decorate your home with your handmade piece, you don't just see art, you feel peace. You are connecting your creativity with your emotion and turning your home into space of warmth, joy and togetherness. And that's how you can become your own Christmas craft home decoration if you love these ideas. So don't forget to like this video. In this video, most of articles which are watching mostly artwork of jute and leftover fabrics, patches. These all are you can make easily at your home because these all stuff easily available at your home, and reuse it and decorate your home, your stairs, your wall, your doors with jute round, glass jar, glass bottles, fairy lights, and make your holiday unforgettable. Because as you know, if you are new, so you know that there's lots of amazing craft and tutorial DIY crafting videos on my channel, so please visit. It will help you and share with you how to make your home cozy and adorable, eye-catching. Share your positive comments if you like our videos, and share your suggestions. We definitely work on it and update you, share with you as per your demand and as per your desire. I really appreciate your support. I'm really thankful to you. I really need your support to watching our channel. Share my videos with your friends and family. Post your comments if you like or if you don't like. It's always guide me. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and your supports make your Christmas decorate with your home and happy life with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care and happy holidays. Take care. Goodbye.